There's something magical about a dish that's simple, refreshing, and packed with flavor. Tzatziki, the iconic Greek yogurt dip, captures the essence of Mediterranean cuisine in every creamy bite. Whether you've tasted it alongside grilled meats, tucked into pita wraps, or as a cooling side on a summer day, tzatziki offers a satisfying balance that's hard to resist and incredibly easy to make at home. This beloved dip is more than just a condiment. It's a celebration of fresh ingredients and bold yet clean flavors. Greek yogurt provides the velvety base, cucumber adds a cool crunch, garlic infuses a pleasant kick, and dill brings a fragrant herbal finish that lingers beautifully on the palate. With a splash of olive oil and a hint of lemon, the harmony is complete. Understanding tzatziki starts with understanding its roots. Traditional Greek cuisine prizes freshness and quality, and tzatziki is no exception. It's served chilled and complements everything from lamb souvlaki and grilled chicken to falafel and vegetables. But its appeal doesn't end there. Tzatziki also makes a wonderful low-calorie, protein-rich snack or appetizer that suits nearly any occasion. Make tzatziki at home. Choose full-fat Greek yogurt for the creamiest texture and richest flavor. Use English cucumbers, known for their low seed content and minimal bitterness, and grate them finely. After grating, always squeeze out excess moisture to avoid a watery dip. Fresh garlic is essential, crushed or finely minced, and don't be shy with the dill. Some prefer fresh lemon juice for added brightness, while others drizzle in red wine vinegar for depth. Finish with a high-quality extra virgin olive oil and season with sea salt to taste. The beauty of tzatziki is its versatility. Serve it as a dip for warm pita bread, a sauce over grilled kebabs, or even as a salad dressing. It stores well in the fridge for several days, and in fact, tastes even better once the flavors have melded overnight. Elevate your culinary game with this easy, authentic dip that never fails to impress. It's a small recipe that delivers big results on your table and in the hearts of your guests. Have you tried making tzatziki at home? What's your favorite twist on this Greek classic?